Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Instagram algorithm. So for this, just open up the Instagram application in your mobile. So the first thing that you want to do is unfollow all the people or accounts that you followed so that you won't be able to have their notifications here. As you can see here on following, so let's say you don't want to have an information or post, or you don't want to see updates on this person, so you just have to tap on this unfollow and unfollow all the people that you don't want to have an information on. Now on the next thing that you want to do here is to go here to your search bar in the bottom and tap on the search bar here, and basically you have to delete all your search history. So tap on here, clear all, tap on clear all again, and then the next thing you want to do is go to your home page, and let's say for example here, as you can see, this is suggested for you. So let's say you don't want to see this type of content, for example these courses here, you don't want to have that. All you have to do is tap on these three dots and tap on this hide ad, and Instagram will try to best to manage your content that they will give you, and they won't be giving you course like that again. The other way is to basically reset your application, I mean reset your search bar here. For example, you want to have a content about this one, you have to follow that account and you have to like these posts, basically interact with the contents like this, or the specific content that you want Instagram to give you the algorithm on. And basically that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.